Download the code from codegive.com. Link in description. Creating an agency portfolio website using HTML and involves several key steps. First, begin by planning the layout and structure of your site, determining which sections to include, such as Home, About, Services, Portfolio, and Contact. Next, set up your HTML file, organizing content with appropriate tags like headings, paragraphs, images, and links to ensure semantic clarity. Once the structure is in place, you can style the website using json. This involves defining typography, colors, margins, and padding to create a visually appealing design. Utilize json Flexbox or Grid for responsive layouts, ensuring that your site looks good on various devices. Incorporate visual elements such as images or videos to showcase your work effectively. Additionally, consider adding interactive features like hover effects or transitions to enhance user experience. Finally, test your website across different browsers and devices for compatibility before launching it.